This is the living room, Roma. If we condemn this place, we need re-roofing now, the whole house. All of it, it's totally gone, done. The roof is done completely. This is Lopez's room. Yo, may I come? Oh, may I come? Give me a minute. This is a room where Louis used to be in. Just going through to wherever the back. The whole thing, the whole roof coming down. There is no roof on the house no more. Tank is gone, the hockey tree is gone. The whole roof is gone. There's nothing here. Here's the room at the back. I guess they moved them gone when there's nobody. Because there is no roof on it. That's the mango tree at the front, you can't get around there no more. There's no roof on the house. It's all peeled right off. The mango tree, the hockey tree drop on the tank, bust up the tank. One of the awning they were tied down. That's where it ended up. All the rooms, there's not one room here that's not leaking. There's the roof from the house, all of it. Here it is. There's the room over Mr. Lopez's bedroom. The mango tree. Complete disaster.